The Vulture has taken on a armored transformation. This is what he looks like. Let's draw what he looks like, shall we? There we are. Here is his spectral battle armor. His real name is Adrian Toombs. This guy got his first debut on Spider-Man Homecoming. That was the first time we saw the Vulture. In Marvel's Spider-Man, Marvel's Ultimate Spider-Man, the Vulture was a mutant created by Dr. Octopus. However, in Spider-Man Homecoming, Adrian Toombs was just a normal guy in a Vulture suit. Well, a mechanical Vulture suit. And Spider-Man, well, it was a whole ordeal involving him. There we are. There we are. Alexa, play Spidey and His Amazing Friends theme.
Here's Marvel's Spidey and His Amazing Friends theme from Disney Junior Music, Marvel's Spidey and His Amazing Friends by Patrick Stump and Disney Junior on Amazon Music.
They should include Vulture into the anime. I heard that Spidey and His Amazing Friends has a new ally, and they have to deal with another enemy. Instead of 3, they just included 1. I mean, who does that? I mean, the PJ Masks have 3 new heroes: Lily Faye, Bastet, and Ice Cub. Why wouldn't they just allow just 3 more fighters. And when on earth are they gonna invite Venom onto Spidey and his amazing friends? That'd be something I want to see. What can be better than watching Spidey and his amazing friends? Wish they just allow that. There he is. That is how you draw Vulture in his armored suit. Wow, it's been a while since we've done the Marvelverse. Let me know which one of the next fighters in the Marvelverse you want me to draw next. Check out the Marvel playlist. Until next time, Stegosaurus, see you later.